We're back to work today on the Simplicity Citation. If you didn't watch the previous video, go back and watch it. Last time we made a video, we discovered that the pump on the left side was shot, or something inside of it's going on, not letting it work correctly. Today we're going to take that pump off, we're going to tear it apart, and we're going to see if we can figure out what is actually going wrong and see if we can fix it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stick around and enjoy. Welcome to my channel. Around here, you want something, you gotta build it. Follow along. Okay, so I know this probably isn't the right kind of puller for this, but it got the job done. The pulley's off. Now I can get at the bolts for the pump. I'll get those spun out. We're moving forward. So I learned if you just take the bolts out of these and put in these holes and spin them in, the whole center hub comes out. Looks like it's on kind of a taper with the pulley. That would have came off a lot easier if I would have known that. Anyway, you learn something new every day. Okay, pump is out. Let's get this thing tore apart. Let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, so the actual pump itself looks to be in pretty good condition. I don't see any wear marks or any metal shavings. That's a good sign. Looks like it's in good shape. Okay, just on visual inspection, this all looks good and clean. I'm not seeing any metal shavings. That does not look good. It's all scratched up. If that's all it is, I can make that smooth again. But I'm guessing there's more. These all look okay too. See, I've had these pumps apart before and all these ends are always ground off. These look pretty good. Okay, what I would call slosh plate there. That all moves good and free. Should have a bunch of bearings underneath it. All them bearings down in there, they all look really good yet. Okay, I don't see any metal shavings in the bearings. They all look really good. Down inside looks really good. Okay, so I cheated and I tore the other side apart. This is what I was looking for. See all these bumps? And this is all raised up. This one's completely almost ground flat. So this and the plate would be what's the problem with the other pump. So, that's the problem. I doubt whether I can buy just this. It's pretty unlikely. So we'll find out. If not, I'm probably gonna have to put a new pump in it. Okay guys, so that's all I got for you today. I'm almost 100% positive this is what the issue is. This plate's got big gouges in it and these are all ground off. Good news is I just went to the internet. I can still buy parts for this thing. So I just ordered a new one of these, and a whole gasket kit for the pump with shipping is 181 bucks. If they're direct replacements, if they fit, this should be a pretty easy fix. When the parts show up, I will make another video. We'll put it back together. We'll see if it works and go from there. So, until the parts show up, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.